Well, maybe there's only 2 left now.
The only-
Jeffrey
I've
getting
been
his
to
hearing
Wrigley
test.
Field when I was about 8, and then I went there when I was 24, and it's really amazing. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I've been there a number of times. I used to have an operation in Chicago.
Oh, okay.
I'd always schedule the visit when around a ball game. It was overtime.
Oh, one great thing about Wrigley Field is how beautiful it is. It's not only just a baseball experience; it's just a life experience. Is all it is.
Yeah,
If people even don't like baseball, like Wrigley Field.
yeah. Okay, let's get this on your back of your neck. Now, the best way for you to pass my test, young man, is to sleep through it, so. It's when your brain activity is the quietest. I'm gonna put your left ear on now. Okay. Okay, let's get your right ear on.
Can I turn the light on?
Sure.
Oh, I didn't know
Yeah,
if the
but-
light had to be off.
No? I'm just trying to keep it quiet. Okay, let's get your right ear on. And you can go back and sleep on that side, that's fine. Okay, good man. All right, good. Good boy. Okay, 1 to go. 1 to go.
How do I turn the flash off?
Yeah, there's enough light in here, you don't need the flash.
Yeah.
Okay, get this on top of the old bean here. Okay, let's see how we did here. Looks good.
My little boy.
All right, it's up to you on the computer now there, Jeffrey.